Hi, everybody. I hope you had a really good time with Shannon as she coached us through our lines and our different gestures. So we're so grateful to her expertise and her dedication in this project. And now I just wanted to give you a couple of last instructions on how to send the videos, okay? So once you have your video, so you see this is in my, all my photos. The video that I want to send is right here. And then right here at the bottom, down here again, let's see how we can, I want you to see that. You see that icon here? You see the icon with the little square and an arrow pointing up. I think in Android, this is an iPhone, but I think in Android you have something very similar. So you click on that, and then you can send it as a text message. You can send it as an email. So I'm going to send it as email. And what I do is I click here. It's preparing it. Okay. So then up here, you're going to type Paul's email, right? And for example, because I have Paul, and when I start typing Paul, hold on a second, how would I do this? So that's Paul, he shows up immediately. And then the other thing I'm going to ask you to do is CC yourself. Why? Because if you CC yourself, then you will know whether he got it or not. And that's kind of really important. And that is Frank texting me. So that's very important. So I'm going to CC myself so that he sees that, so that I know if I got it, he got it, right? So check your email after you send them to make sure that that you got them, because that's a good clue that he got them. Then for subject, I'm going to put my first name, Jeanette, and I'm going to call it business. And then in quotations, I'm going to put headband. Okay. And let's see if you see it. Okay. So put your name, business, headband. Business is what we call that gesture that we were going to be repeating in the beginning. Some people are going to be reading. Some people are going to be fanning themselves. Some people are going to be napping. Whatever it is, those are your 30 seconds. And then you hit send right here. Now, it's going to ask you, because it identifies it as big, use mail drop or try sending as an attachment. I would recommend that you use mail drop. And then once you send it, it goes back and you see your picture. And then you can go ahead and then send the next video, okay? So in the body of the email that I'm going to be sending this video with, I will include Paul's phone number and Paul's email, as well as my email, though you have it, so that you please email both of us, okay? Have fun. Send one at a time, ideally, with that subject matter. And remember to check your emails, your inbox, to make sure that you got it. If you got it, he got it. If you didn't get it, he didn't get it. And so try again. Okay, thank you so much. And I'm so excited to see our video and our dramatic and spirit-filled dramatization of Pentecost. Good night. Buenas noches.